Conditional sentences express possibilities and their results using if clauses and result clauses. They help explain what might happen under certain conditions. There are 4 main types of conditional sentences. They are called 0, first, second, and third conditionals. Each type talks about different situations and uses different verb tenses. The 0 conditional talks about things that are always true or facts. The structure uses the present tense in both parts of the sentence. For example, if you heat water, it boils. The first conditional expresses real or possible events in the future. It uses the present tense after if and will plus the base verb in the result. For example, if it rains tomorrow, we will stay home. The second conditional talks about imaginary or unlikely situations in the present or future. It uses the past tense after if and would plus the base verb in the result. For example, if I won the lottery, I would travel the world. The third conditional talks about unreal situations in the past. It uses the past perfect tense after if and would have plus the past participle in the result. For example, if I had studied, I would have passed the exam. Here are some examples of 0 conditional sentences. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. If you mix blue and yellow, you get green. Plants die if they do not get sunlight. Ice melts when you heat it. Here are some examples of first conditional sentences. If it rains tomorrow, we will cancel the picnic. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. If she calls me, I will answer immediately. If we leave now, we will catch the train. Here are some examples of second conditional sentences. If I were rich, I would buy a yacht. If I knew her number, I would call her. If we lived in Paris, we would eat croissants. If I had superpowers, I would fly everywhere. Here are examples of third conditional sentences. If I had studied harder, I would have passed. If we had left earlier, we would have caught it. If she had called, I would have answered. If it had rained, we would have stayed inside.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.